We are up here on the 6th floor of the Aloft Hotel in Asheville, North Carolina. We're off to do a hotel room tour because we're actually staying here tonight. Pretty nice hallway though. But tonight, our room is 628. That's right, we're on the very top floor. So let's go. Door closes, so now of course we start with the evacuation map. Of course, this is what the property looks like. And security features, you got the latch and the deadbolt. Master light switch. And we have a very interesting layout. As you can see, this is the entire bathroom area. It's very oddly laid out. But as you can see, this is just like the sink area and stuff. So you got towels over here, bar of soap and some cups, and then the sink. Water pressure's good. Trash can down here along with a hair dryer. And the mini fridge is over here as well. A little on the small side, but it gets the job done. Don't know if I'm going to use it tonight. Coming over here, we have the storage area and stuff. Got a curtain right here and some hangers. And some drawers over here. We got an iron and what's this? Not sure. Got extra toilet paper. That's empty. Here we got the safe. You want to store any valuables in there? We got the coffee making station over here. Pretty nicely laid out. Here's the ice bucket. Book on dining in Asheville because of course they got a famous bar scene. So now here's the bathroom itself. It's a little on the small side, but it's got a sliding door, of course. Here's the commode. Toilet paper holder, you got some extra towels up here. I like this backdrop, that's for sure. Shower itself. Actually a very nice looking shower. Cleanliness wise, other than a couple stains, I think we're looking pretty good. I don't see too many cleanliness problems in here. Actually, I think demoing the shower is gonna be kind of risky. I don't wanna get myself wet. But there you go. Pretty nice looking shower. Let's turn this off. So there you go. And then we come out here where the rest of the room is. A very interesting layout. So we have a 2-queen bed, of course. Mattress feels very nice. Take my shoes off and we're gonna test comfiness wise. Actually a very comfy mattress. Hopefully I can get a good night's sleep on it. And one red flag I see is this drawer will not stay shut because it's technically on a slant. Not a huge deal at this stage, but it's got that in it. And then an extra storage compartment down here. It's kind of dark though. Got an alarm clock, which I can't tell if it's plugged in or not. It doesn't look like it is. Light switches for these lights up here. There's the TV remote. And this cool backdrop. Asheville's music scene. Over here, we got a desk. Let's turn the light on. Got the phone. And yes, they are building a Moxie hotel right beside this. Chair's looking nice. Got a trash can down here. Bench to put all your stuff. And then we have this LG flat screen TV. That looks to be the window for the shower. At least it's frosted. And it looks like this is actually a connecting room. So, yeah. And then you got the view. It's nighttime out, so not the greatest view. You can't really see it, but I think that's the new Moxie going up right beside. They got a lot of construction going on. And as such, the third floor pool and outdoor patio is closed. But otherwise, a pretty good view. And then the curtains, very big curtains. I don't know if these are blackout. I'm not sure if they are. And lastly, the thermostat. As you can see, it is very warm. This is kind of a red flag because when we walked in, it was 77 degrees in here. And 4 hours later, it's only cooled down 4 degrees. So that's kind of a red flag because it is still pretty hot in here. So hopefully I can get a good night of sleep. But these beds, they're pretty comfy, so I think I shouldn't have an issue. Pillows are good. Cleanliness-wise, I don't see any stains and stuff. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with these. And speaking of the thermostat, we got the AC down here. It is blasting cold air right now because it is, of course, pretty hot in here. And how lovely, it just decided to auto shut off. But yeah, I think I've pretty much covered most of the room. I find the layout pretty interesting. Never seen anything like it. But with that said, I think that's gonna wrap up this room tour. I'd say for the price, I'd say it's worth it if you're like traveling with 1 or 2 people. But if you got a big family, I don't know if this is the size for you. It definitely feels like a loft, hence the name. But yeah. With that said, I think that's gonna wrap up this room tour. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.